Good afternoon, everybody. I'm at the moment in Sukhumvit Soi 10. I need to do a photo shoot in a building called 185 Rajadamri. So I'm going there with my bicycle now, and I thought it would be a nice idea to take the scenic route. There is a small bike path or running path between the Benjakitti Park and the Lumpini Park. So I was thinking that it would be a nice idea to just bike through there. As you see, it's a little bit cloudy over here now. We might, well, probably sure we'll get some rain later today, but at the moment it's fine. It's around 1:15 on Wednesday, so I hope you guys enjoy the ride. Okay, so this is the back of Soi 10, and from here you can actually walk directly to the Benjakitti Park. A lot of people do this in the evening. And this is the biking path that I'm talking about. It's actually really cool. I think many people that live in Bangkok already know this. So the Benjakitti Park is there. Now I'm heading here. Yeah, there is this little canal here. I mean, this one definitely doesn't have boats on it. So now we're actually driving in the back of several sois from Sukhumvit. So for example, this is the back of Soi 8. And there where the white building is, that's the back of Soi 4. This is a nice relaxing bike path. The only thing is there's like 2 bridges that you have to cross. And if you followed my last video that I made along the Klong, you know that I love little bridges. The smell here is not always very well. This water is not really running. It's just standing still here. Okay. There we have bridge number 1. This bridge is going over Soi 4. And it's actually the entrance to the tobacco monopoly area, which used to be a lot of factories and storehouses, but they all broken down. The initial plan is to make this into a park, but nobody knows when that's gonna happen. So this is Soi 4. Cannot really see it very well. Okay. We're down here. This is good exercise, so I'm not complaining. A lot. Here you have some pumping stations, so they can pump the water and manage it. As you can see, there's also some houses over here. Just back there were some houses, but they broke it down. Oh, another lovely bridge. This one's crossing the highway. People who know Bangkok know the highway that's running past Planchit. So there's a train tracks and there's a highway. See, there is the Planchit area. This down here, not sure if this is Soi 2. No, Soi 2 is over there. So this down here is the road that's parallel on the highway. Look, they are painting the bridge here. Nice. So over there, the area that you see there is Silom and Saton. I'm just trying to show everybody different parts of Bangkok. You know, most people know Sukhumvit, most people know all the popular areas. But as an expat living here for quite a while, you do find some other spaces. This path is just going straight to Lumpini Park here, and it's built. Actually, this part is above the Klong, or above the canal, and this is a local area here where the local people live. So, and this is the back of the street called Rudi. People who know the Planchit area will know this. There's a mosque. I like this path because it's super quiet, but I mean, if you just look at all the construction and the buildings around, you're in the middle of the city. It looks like they've been painting the road. So this looks like a temple. It is a temple, but it's a Christian temple. It's a church. I really like the style. So these are the final bridges. So this bridge is crossing Wireless Road, or in Thai you call Soi Witayu, or Tanon Witayu. A lot of construction going on here. So they're building 140 wireless, which will have a theater, if I'm correct. Sometimes I might say stuff that's not correct, but I will check it up later. Then I will correct it in the comments. So here in front is Lumpini Park. I'm just gonna bike a little bit through Lumpini Park as well. Thing with Lumpini Park is that you're not allowed to bike before 10 o'clock in the morning. So time-wise we should be fine now. The miracle bell always does wonders. Okay, so this is the entrance of the park. Up. Yeah, to get entrance to the park it's important to have your mask with you, otherwise they won't let you in. So they will just check your temperature and then you're good to go. สวัสดีครับขอบคุณมากครับ Lumpini Park is just a great park. I think it's like you could compare it to Central Park in New York, I guess. This is the park in Bangkok. It's between two main areas, you could say, between Sukhumvit and Ceylon. It's more Ceylon. Here you can also see the water monitor lizards. I'm just gonna drive around now because I have to go to the building, to the 185 Rajadamri. But if I stumble upon one, I'll film it. Yeah, like now during the day it's nice and quiet here. If you come here in the evening, I don't know if you guys saw my video from last year, last night from Benjakitti Park. That was packed, but this is more packed because it's bigger also. That's the building that I have to go to. 185 Rajadamri. We found one. Ah, this is funny. If he doesn't run away. So these, what I said, water monitor lizards, there are really a lot here. Unfortunately for you, my followers, I had to disturb the peace of this little fella. As I said before, they are harmless. They're actually fishing. You know, there's fish here. I'm not sure if they also eat turtles, but they're predators, but harmless for us. Okay, so I'm gonna end this one. I hope you liked it, and let's see where I'm gonna go next. Peace.